Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys a live preview on what you will be experiencing once you join the Early Bird Picks Club. Alright, we'll be betting on 3 games in particular today. One of them is Daegu FC against Gangwon FC. Okay, we're betting on over 1 ball, 0.75, and half ball first half. Meaning we'll be betting for a goal on the first half. Okay, on this match here. And the second pick is Chelsea against Reading. Alright, according to the odds display right now in the market movement, there will be a goal on the first half, so we'll be betting on this too. Chelsea. Now let's have a look at the results. Okay, the first pick that we had was Daegu over 1 ball, 0.75 and zero point 0.5. Okay, as you can see right here, the final score line for that match was 2-0. Halftime score line was 1-0 with Daegu in the lead. Okay, on the 34th minute, the Nelson Santos Lima scores a goal. Thanks to him, our bet has cleared. Alright, now the second pick was Chelsea against Reading. Let's go to the score line for that match. Should be somewhere down here. 2:45. There it is. Alright, final score line was 4-2. Halftime score line was 1-2 with Reading taking the lead. Okay, either way, our bet for the second pick has cleared as well. There it is. Okay, thanks to Frank Lampard scoring the penalty kick on the 18th minute, our bet has cleared. So again, this is what you will be able to enjoy the benefits of once you join the Early Bird Picks membership club, okay? Applications are still open, so feel free to check the site out at www.earlybirdpicks.com. Alright, I'll see you inside.